If you want to point your domain name to an IP address in Namecheap, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to connect your domain to your server using an A record so your website can start resolving to the correct IP address. This is one of the most important setup steps when launching a site, connecting hosting, or pointing a subdomain to a server. If this video helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this. Now let's jump in. First, log into your Namecheap account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for Domain List. This is where all of your registered domains are shown in one place. Find the domain you want to edit, then click Manage next to that domain name. That will open the settings page for the domain. At the top of the settings area, click the Advanced DNS tab. This is where Namecheap lets you control records like A records, CNAME records, and other DNS settings. Now scroll down until you see the Host Records section. This is the area where your domain's actual DNS records are managed. To create a new record, click Add New Record. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there select a record. An A record is what points a domain or subdomain to an IPv4 address. In the host field, enter the correct name for what you want to point. If you want to point your root domain, type the @ symbol. If you want to point a subdomain instead, such as blog or app, type that subdomain prefix here. Next, go to the value field, sometimes also labeled IP address, and enter your server's IPv4 address. Make sure the IP address is correct, because this is what tells the domain where to go. After that, set the TTL to automatic, or choose 30 minutes if you want a shorter refresh time. TTL controls how long DNS information is cached before it updates. Once everything looks correct, click the green checkmark icon to save the record. After saving, the new A record will be added to your DNS settings. Depending on DNS propagation, it may take a little while for the change to fully update across the internet. If you've just connected a domain to hosting, this is completely normal, so give it some time and then test your domain again, and that's it. Your Namecheap domain is now pointed to an IP address using an A record. If this tutorial helped, please like the video and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.